Have you lost your photos? You might thinking you lost it forever. Recently this happened to me also. I accidentally deleted my family photos that were so precious to me. I got panic and felt so helpless. And I stick with my system and done a deep research for hours. And lastly I found the solution that worked. I found Wondershare Recover It, and honestly it felt like a miracle. I had those photos back in just a few steps and I couldn't believe how easy it was. If you ever lost something precious like that, then I am going to show you how you can recover your photos too. To download Wondershare Recover It, you can check out the given link in the description. That link will take you straight to the download section, and if you are planning to buy their plan, you will get an additional discount by using that link. Once there, choose the version that matches your operating system, whether it's Windows or Mac. Then click the free download button to download the installer. After the download is complete, open the installer and follow the on-screen instruction to install the software. Once installed, open Recover It and choose the folder, drive or external device where your photos were stored before deletion. Select the photos you want to retrieve and click Recover. Wondershare Recover It isn't just a tool to recover your deleted photos. You can recover almost every data from any device. With support for 2000 plus storage devices, Recover It can recover lost files from various devices, including hard drives, SD card and memory cards, USB sticks and removable drives, digital cameras, and PCs and Macs. It supports 1000 plus file types. You can restore almost any type of file, including document from Word and Excel files to PDFs and more. Recover images in formats like JPEG, PNG, RAW, PSD and even rare ones. Support popular video formats like MP4, MOV, AVI and many others. You can restore music and recordings in formats like MP3, FLAC, WAV and AAC. And even compressed files like ZIP and 7Z are recoverable. It is fully optimized for Mac users, providing exceptional support for Apple's latest technologies. It ensures compatibility with all Mac chips, including M1 and M2 series, making data recovery faster and more efficient. With a 25% improvement in Apple file system scanning speed, enable quicker and more accurate recovery of your lost files. Recover It is designed to recover files lost in various situations, including accidental deletions, emptying the recycle bin, or shift plus delete without backup, or fix the issues like corrupted, inaccessible or delete partitions. It stands out with over 35 plus data recovery patents, ensuring accuracy and reliability. Supports recovery from various file systems like NTFS, FAT, HFS Plus and APF, making it a universal solution for your needs. If you are ready to recover your lost files, don't wait. Check out the link in the description to download Wondershare Recover It now. With a 7 days money back guarantee, 24/7 free tech support and a secure virus free experience, it is the smart choice for data recovery.